Mastering the English Alphabet, Essential ESL Lessons. Introduction. The English alphabet. It's like a big box of assorted chocolates, except instead of getting to choose your favorites, you're stuck with all 26 letters. But hey, don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through mastering this quirky collection of characters in your ESL lessons. First things first, let's cover the basics. The English alphabet consists of 27 letters, with 5 of them being vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining 21 letters being consonants. Now, don't even get me started on those sneaky digraphs, pairs of letters that make a single sound, like CH and TH. They like to pretend they're separate letters, but let's not be fooled. Ever wondered why we call the letter B, B? Or why M is called M and not E? Well, the English language likes to keep us guessing. There's no logical explanation for those naming choices, it's just the way things are. The basics of the English alphabet. The basics of the English alphabet. The English alphabet, the backbone of the English language, is a fascinating subject to dive into. It consists of 27 letters, and in case you were wondering, that's the same number of candles on my last birthday cake. Seriously, who needs a million letters when you can get your point across with just 27, right? Let's talk about the cool kids first, the vowels. A, E, I, O, and U are the stars of the show. They bring the melody, the rhythm, and the flow to our language. Without them, our words would be as dry as a stale biscuit. The consonants, on the other hand, are the supporting cast. They add the spice and the flavor to the mix. But wait, there's more. Introducing our sneaky partners, the digraphs. They're like the secret agents of the alphabet, disguising themselves as 2 letters to make different sounds. We've got CH, C, CK, GH, ING, PH, Q, RH, SC, SH, TH, T, WH, WR, and ZH. They make our lives more interesting, and they make spelling bees a whole lot harder. Unveiling the Old English Alphabet. Unveiling the Old English Alphabet. The Old English Alphabet, a hidden treasure buried under the layers of time. It's like raiding your grandparents' attic and stumbling upon their 1950s record collection. You're not quite sure what to make of it, but it's definitely intriguing. Let's start with the basics. The Old English alphabet consisted of 29 letters. That's right, 29. It's like they couldn't make up their minds on which letters to include, so they just threw them all in there and hoped for the best. Among these 29 letters were the familiar ones we know today, like A, B, C, and so on. But there were also some unusual characters that seemed to have wandered in from a different dimension. The shape and sound of letters. First off, let's talk about variations in letter shape. Did you know that the exact shape of printed letters can vary depending on the typeface? It's true. So don't be surprised if the letter A in one font looks like a skinny stick figure, while in another font it looks like a curvy diva. Handwritten letters also have their own unique shapes, which can vary between individuals. We all know that vowels are the cool kids on the block, right? They are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. Without them, words would sound like a cacophony of consonants. But let's not forget the unsung heroes, the consonants. They bring structure and rhythm to our language. Conclusion. Let's recap the key takeaways, shall we? Firstly, we learned that the English alphabet consists of 26 letters. But did you know that out of these 26, only 5 are vowels? Yes, that's right. A, E, I, O, and U make up the vowel clan, while the remaining 21 letters are always stuck being consonants. we discovered that the English language is full of sneaky partners called digraphs. These pairs of letters, like ch, sh, and th, work together to create specific sounds. Now you're well equipped to navigate the alphabetic maze of English with ease. Happy reading and writing! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.